Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is a video that I have been wanting to do for quite some time. However, I have been going back and forth between these planners for so long that it has been quite difficult to compare them. But today we are going to talk about the difference between the Erin Condren planner and the Happy Planner, and let's talk about which one might be best for you depending on what you currently have going on in your life. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is price. The Happy Planner is the clear winner on price. You can pick up a Happy Planner at Michael's or Hobby Lobby for about $30, and if you use their weekly coupon that they always have, you can get 40% off of this planner. So this planner could be around $18 if you use all of those options. Erin Condren is a little bit more expensive for the basic planner. It usually comes in around $30 to $75. However, I was shopping on there on yesterday, and I saw that they were having a sale where you could get the planner for like $35. So that was pretty good. And if you are a first-time buyer with Erin Condren, you can use the code in the description box and get $10 off your first purchase. So that's always great too. So you could probably get this planner for around 20 something dollars, but this planner, Happy Planner, usually always wins in price because you can always find this one for like $18. Sometimes I've even seen people get them for $15, $12. So the second thing that we're going to look at is the paper quality. The Happy Planner's paper quality is very high quality. It is very nice, it's very thick. I do love the sheets that are in here. If you write with a pen, I use the Papermate Inkjoy gel pen 0.7. It will not bleed through, so I do love that. However, something about the Erin Condren paper is a little bit more smoother. So when I write on this one, something about this paper is a little bit more smoother and the pen just like glides on it. So if I have to go off of paper quality, they both are really, really good quality. However, something about Erin Condren's paper just makes me love it a little bit more. So the third thing that we're going to look at is functionality. Now, when it comes down to the Happy Planner, I really do like how it is set up. At the beginning of the month, you do get one notes page here. You also get your calendar, and then it goes into your weeks. This is an hourly planner, which I do like. It is probably one of my favorites from the Happy Planner. But you also have the vertical style planner, in which you have the boxes. The boxes for Happy Planner are a little bit longer than the Erin Condren planner. However, with the Erin Condren, I do like the functionality of this planner a little bit more. You get a little bit more at the beginning of the month. So you have the full page here instead of just a little notes page. You have an entire full page, so you can write whatever you need there. You also have a place for birthdays, monthly goals, a little section here, and a bottom section here. When you turn, then you go into your month, and then you go into the hours. Now, one thing that I do love about the Erin Condren hourly versus the Happy Planner hourly is that the hours go until 9 p.m. and then you get the small box here. So you have from 6 a.m. until 9 p.m. But with the Happy Planner, you have from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I do like the fact that you have a lot of space in the boxes for your to-dos at the top versus the to-dos at the bottom. However, I still give this one a slight edge because I do like the time frames from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And like I said, I don't have a vertical Erin Condren with me, but the boxes on the vertical Erin Condren are a little bit shorter. So if you need more time, you need more space, then I would definitely say for your schedule, go with Erin Condren because you do get more space. You get until 9 p.m. versus 7 p.m. on the Happy Planner. And if you need extra spaces at the front of your planner for birthdays, monthly goals, and things like that, you do have a little bit more customization here. So I would give the Erin Condren a slight edge on functionality because you do get a little bit more of function with it and you get a little bit more space. Another thing that I wanted to mention with the Erin Condren when it comes down to functionality is the back of the planner. So you do get some stickers in the back of the planner that just lives with the planner, and that is very nice. Happy birthday stickers, a whole bunch of other function type stickers, and you have a folder at the back. Now, I do have a folder in my Erin Condren, in my Happy Planner, but I had to purchase this folder and actually insert it into the planner. I also keep some notes pages back here, but I do not have any stickers back here. You would have to do all of that manually, but with the Erin Condren, it does come with the planner. So I thought that that was a plus on the Erin Condren side. And my fourth area is customization. So customization is probably the main selling point for me, and it is probably the reason why I just decided to do this video. With customization, I need my planner to be as customizable as possible, and Happy Planner just has this down to the T, and it's mainly because of the disc bound system. I absolutely love the disc bound system. I was able to get 5 planners within this one planner. You guys know I do the Franken planning system, and that's where I take out the pages of other planners and other Happy planners, and I put them in here to make one big planner. This makes a world of a difference for me because I am able to section off my life and see them as I need to see them organized, and that really works for me. So I have a daily section, and then I have a business section, I have a work section, I have a reading section, and a faith section. All of these sections kind of work within my life. I'm able to kind of carry this around wherever I go. And it's really not that thick because I only carry 2 months at a time from each planner, from each section. And the other thing about this is that it's very transportable. Like, I am always on the go, I'm always running around. I am able to throw this in my bag and kind of keep it moving. I do love the Erin Condren as far as having everything kind of together. The only thing is that with it being spiral bound, it would take so much work in order to take the coils off and resection them and do different things with them. And this is why I have decided to put my schedule, which is this planner, back into my Happy Planner. It was a hard decision for me because I really do love the Erin Condren planner, but I believe that having this planner and being able to just pop in notes and pop in different things that I need, it just works for me. And when I was trying to carry around both planners at the same time, which would be my ultimate love if I could do that, but it was making my bag a little too heavy and making my shoulders hurt. So I decided to go back to just using this one planner system, and then keeping this one at home. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with this planner yet. I am thinking about making it a memory keeping planner or something of that nature. I also did order the vertical style, and that's mainly for work. I wanted to do a vertical style one so that I could test out stickers and test out different things that I wanted to design for you guys for the shop. So that one is coming, but I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to use both of them because I really still love this planner. I just love the customization of this one. You can add in sheets, you can add in half sheets, you can add in different planners, and as much as I love having everything together, I really need to see my life sectioned off and together when I need it. It depends on what is important to you. how you can choose between these planners. If price is a very important point to you, then you may want to go with the Happy Planner. If you are really big into the paper quality of a planner, you may want to go with Erin Condren. If you are really into transferability and being able to customize your planner, once again, it will be Happy Planner. So you really need to try and think about what's important to you. Write these pros and cons down and go which one is best for you. For me, right now, it is definitely the Happy Planner. As much as I love the Erin Condren, it will be my play planner and something that I still show on my YouTube channel. So don't worry, Erin Condren videos are not going away. I just may not be using it in my everyday life. So I hope this video has helped you guys and help you in picking your planner. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.